Yo, what is going on, guys? Intermal 5 here back, and today I am playing at the mill. It's located in Sanger, California, and the game is called Conversion. We're broken up into 4 teams of 5 players each, and then basically the main gist of the game is as soon as you tag someone, they they have to walk to you, that they know who they got shot by, and then they have to walk towards them, and then they become part of their team. So it was a really fun game, and I hope you guys do enjoy some of the highlights. I got some really good sniper kills, some good close quarter action. I got some nades on me too, so you'll see some of those in some of the clips. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. After a bit of time that has gone by, I soon spot one of the enemies standing behind one of the trees. Now that after he has found out who he got shot by, now he's a part of our team, and we continue to press on. The enemy has now managed to flank us somehow, and my buddy got shot from behind, and now he's walking towards the enemy team, so I feel like I'm going to be flanked here pretty soon.
He's coming out, don't shoot him. He's coming out, don't shoot him.
There are still more enemy guys up ahead inside the house, although I don't know how many there are, so I decide to frag them out.
That was a sexy ass throw. Come this way. Bring the core. Bring the core with you. Hey, bring the core.
So I was completely amazed and astonished to see 3 guys be walking out of that building that got out. They told me that there was a 4th guy, but he took off running as soon as he saw the grenade. So that was pretty cool. I got 3 kills out of that, so +3.
I didn't even know there was 3 of you guys in there. Fuck. You guys should have brought the core. There's 4. At one point we had 6. Right here, there's 2 at least in the castle. Hey, throw your grenade at this guy. Where's he at? Behind the spool. Behind the 3 spools. There's a guy in the foxhole though on the right. He might. Alright, yeah. Let's do it. Alright, when he's not looking. Oh, here we go, buddy. Alright, we'll do it. Should I go down this way? Should I go down this way? If you can get it from here. Alright, ready? Think they did. Where did that go? Oh, you threw my core? Oh, he tossed it. That was so... Woo! Sexy. one. There's two. Oh shit. Right next to him. Woo. I got him. I got you with that? Oh. Ow. That stuff. Got him. Goodbye, buddy. Woo. Hey! Oh shit. Oh, you guys are back in there.
You were not expecting to survive. You were just like, I'm just gonna deal with it.
Fuck it. Yeah, pretty much. Oh man.
Alrighty guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy the highlights. If you guys want, please hit that subscribe button and also rate this video of what you guys think. Definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be posting some more Airsoft videos coming out here pretty soon. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.